In this video here, I'm going to explain to you how location is the big key to this and knowing what they're giving you in your state. So stick around to the end so you can see and follow how this is working state by state. I go by the name of Numbers with Dave, the Lotto King. I teach different techniques and different strategies on winning the Pick 3 lottery. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is coming out of Florida. Very simple, guys. I'm showing this to people that actually leave me messages on my comments that I don't explain it. I'm going to explain it here for you on the simplest grid that I'm going to give you. So remember, you got to keep track on what they're doing in your state. So yesterday in Florida, they gave us in the daytime. Yesterday, look at the date. This was yesterday now. In Florida, they gave us 9:02. So this grid here is actually universal. You can use this grid for all states. It's not going to give you the doubles or the triple numbers, but it's going to give you the winning numbers. So how can you see what they're giving in your state? Is by looking at the results, getting involved. As simple as that. So in Florida yesterday, they gave us the 9:02. So again, everyone that's watching, follow it. You're going to highlight the last number that came out. In Florida, they're not going day with day. They're going day with night. They gave us the 290 in the daytime. So I highlighted it for you. So everyone that's watching this video, I want you to try this today. So with this same grid here, you're going to highlight the last number that came out in your state. But what you got to look at, you got to see if in your state, are they going day with day, or they going day with night, or they going night with day. You got to look at the results. The results is going to explain everything on what you need to do on your next step. So again, I just explained to you what steps you need to follow. So again, they gave us 290, 290. So that's the first step. So everyone that's watching, do that now for today. You're going to take the last number that came out in your state. You're going to highlight it. Now, the next step, what you're going to do, what does the 920 add up to? Yes, what does the 920 add up to? I'm going to put it here so you can see it. 920 was the last number that came out. Yes, 902 adds up to what? 9 plus 2 is what? 11. 11, correct? 1 plus 1. We're adding that till we get to one single number. 11. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That's the final number. After you get that final number, you go up 1, 2, 3. What's the mirror to 2, 3? I'm going to put the mirror numbers here. So for anyone doesn't know what the mirror numbers are, is the reflection on each number. Look, 3 is the 8, the 4 is the 9, and the 5 is the 0. These are your mirror numbers. These are the reflection of each number when you're playing the lottery. This is for lotto math. These are the numbers. This is the reflection of each number. So the mirror to 2, 3 is 7, 8. You see it? 2, 3, the mirror to 2, 3 is 7, 8. These is a big key on learning how to do this. You need to learn this. So 2, 3. So we already know the location is what? 290. Look, I'm going to circle it for you. 290 is the location of the last number. So we added the number up. Look, I'm explaining it clearly for you. So you can apply it today for your state. See what the Lotto King does? I want to help everybody. So that's why I'm making this video. So it can help everybody. So look, that is your location now. Simple. You got to get a pen and a paper. And you're going to write down this grid. And you're going to do the last number. You're going to look at the results and see what they're doing in your state. I just explained to you, in Florida, they're not doing day with day or night with night. They're doing day with night. So that 290, what we just finished doing, we added up that 290 and it gave us a hit sum of what? 11. What we did with that 11, 1 plus 1 gave us the 2, and you go up 1, 2, 3. What's the mirror to 2, 3? 7, 8. This is your mirror numbers here. So anyone that's watching, I explained it to you. If you don't understand it, watch the video again. because I'm explaining it clearly for you, for everyone that's watching. I want everyone to do great doing this. That's why I'm doing this video. So again, the 290 was the last number. So what numbers we're looking for? We're looking for the hot numbers. The hot numbers are 2, 3. 2, 3 is right here, and 2, 3. We're playing off the last number that came out. 2, 3. You see it? What came out? Let's look at it together. 630. See the 2, 3? 630. Right in that area, guys. Look how simple was that. Let's come up here. 290. See the 2, 3? 306. Right in that same area. How simple was that? It's just by knowing what location you're going to play on. See how simple is that? The Lotto King makes it very simple so you can understand it. So now look, I'm going to do another state now. South Carolina, look, I'm going to do the same thing so you can see it. I want you to see it. The last number that came out in South Carolina was what? The 495 in the daytime. That was the day number. Look, I want you to see it. The day number was 495. This is how you're going to learn it. You're going to mark it, the 495. I don't see 495 down here. So it's only once on the grid. This is the same grid we just finished using on the last number that just came out. So whoever's here, you can use this grid for all states. Remember, this grid is only for regular numbers. It's not going to give you the double numbers. It's not going to give you the triple numbers. It's only going to give you the regular numbers. And how can you know if they're giving you regular numbers? It's by looking at the results in your state. Everything is in the palm of your hand, but people just don't do it. Go and look at the results and keep track of it. I guarantee you, if you keep track of it, it gets a lot easier. You got to put in the work. Just remember that. It's not going to just come to you. You got to put in the work. Write down the results, and I guarantee you, you're going to start seeing it. It makes it simple. So in South Carolina, 495 was the day number. What does that number add up to? Look, I'm going to do it again for everybody. Look, I'm going to write down the mirror numbers. 1 is the 6, 2 is the 7, 3 is the 8, 4 is the 9, and 5 is the 0. Yes, that's your mirror numbers. What does the 495 add up to? 495 adds up to what? That's the 9 and 9. That's 18. So what's that? I'm going to write it here for you. 495 adds up to what? Look at it. That's 18, correct? 495 adds up to 18. 1 plus 8 is what? Come on. I'm making it simple. I'm explaining to you detail by detail. 9. 1 and 8 is 9. You go up 1. What comes after 9? The 0. What's the mirror to 9, 0? What's the mirror? You got the mirror chart right there in front of you. So you cannot say, oh, I don't know what number is it. It's right in front of you. 9, 0, the mirror is what? 4, 5. Simple as that, guys. Look, 4, 5. So what are you going to do? What was the last number that came out? We highlighted it. We're not looking down here. You're playing off the last number. Why are you playing down here? You're playing off that last number. So what numbers you looking for? 9, 0, and the 4, 5. That's the hit sum. We just did it together. We added the 495 and it gave us a hit sum of 9045. Why are you looking down here? The last number that played is up here and the hit sum is here. 9045. We're playing here for the next winning number. What came out next? The 895. Do you see it there? The 895. Is the 895 in that area? Was it one of the numbers that I told you? Look, the 9 and the 5 from the hit sum. So they gave you the 9 and the 5. You only had to come up with one number. How simple was that? Can anyone actually see what I'm talking about? Location is the key, and I explained it to you. If you're standing in the right spot, you have a 95% chance on winning. I gave you all the details. The 9 and the 0 was the hit sum and 4, 5. What did they give you? They gave us the 895. So they already gave you 2 numbers. You only had to come up with one number. How simple was that, guys? Simple. Now, anyone that's watching this video, please leave me a message in my comments and tell me how I explained this to everyone. Just let me know. That's all I want. Because I think I explained it detail by detail. Just remember, the ones that get involved, this becomes a lot easier. If this pick 3 strategy helped you, like, comment, and share and save this video. And also subscribe to my channel for further new videos. This is the Lotto King, and I'm out.